we're going to try something new today. Are you up for something new? Huh? I have to brush you. My goodness gracious. Listen, Speeders. I heard that the horses like bananas. Do you want to try one? Hmm? You want to try? All right. Back up.
You gonna peel it first?
Of course I'm going to peel it. Here. Now, we have two things. You have the banana and you have the carrot. Wait a second now. Wait a second. You want to try the banana? Are you sure you don't want to try it? What about your carrot? Hold still. It's windy today. Hold still. No, we can't have the whole thing. Just bite part of it.
You helping, Spree? Are you helping?
What, some of it? Yeah. Come on, Speeders. You can't bite the carrot.
He wants the
You
whole
can't have
thing.
the whole thing. Oh, you can't have it. Bite the carrot. Here's this. Bite the carrot. Try the banana. Are you sure you don't want to try a little bit of banana? It's acquired taste. Maybe Sully will like it. Maybe a little bit. Do you want to try a little bit? No? Even the banana. You want your carrot,
He's
don't you?
smelling it.
Okay. Well, here you go. Try the banana. Oh, come on. Come on, say yes to life. Come on. All right.
Smart boy, Speeder.
No. There's your carrot. See who? Oh, he is. He's eating. Okay.
All right, Endo movie.
All right. Back to carrot.
Signing off. Merry Christmas.